This is an 18-month-old infant with an allergic history and no evidence of foreign body aspiration or bronchopneumonia. He suffers from asthma. The intermixture of bronchial contraction, inflammation of the bronchial wall, and hypersecretion of mucus is demonstrated through sound. Listen first to the respiratory cycle. Now, note the increased rate. Note that the ratio of inspiration to expiration is 1:4. Listen again, and you find that there is very little pause at the end of expiration. Thus, there is poor distribution of gas and air trapping ensues, with hyperinflation at the end of expiration. Note the sibilant rhonchi on inspiration. And now, listen to the sibilant rhonchi on expiration. Presence of the rhonchi demonstrates the hypersecretion of mucus and or pus production. Listen now to the classical tight wheeze of asthma on expiration. This is the bronchial contraction component. Listen now to the intermixture of changes in inspiratory, expiratory ratios, sibilant rhonchi, and expiratory wheeze. From this sound, you can diagnose the disease and appreciate its components. Each part of the disease can then be treated with appropriate therapy. First, for the bronchial contraction. Bronchodilators are used. Second, for the hypersecretion of mucus. Expectorants and mucolytic agents are of importance. Third, for the inflammation of the bronchial wall. Antimicrobials are employed. Corticosteroids are indicated when the potential disability of asthma is greater than the unwanted effect of the drug. Asthma can be diagnosed, its components analyzed and treated therapeutically, and the efficacy of therapy measured with the aid of sound. The significance of the various sounds you have just heard can only be appreciated through repetitive listening.